When belief systems fail, there is a tempting conclusion. Nothing is real. Nothing matters. So nothing is required of me. Or even worse, I am God. I am everything. That conclusion feels profound, but it's mostly avoidance. When structures dissolve, meaning loosens. Certainty evaporates. Authority fades. Narratives lose their grip. This is not nihilism, but it's deconditioning. Many people mistake the loss of false meaning for the absence of obligation. That mistake is convenient. Nihilism, as a shelter, pretends to be radical, but functionally it does one thing very well, and it removes responsibility. If nothing matters, then no action can be wrong, no outcome can indict you, and no system requires engagement. That's just withdrawal from honesty. Action does not require meaning. Action requires contact. Fire does not need purpose to burn. Gravity does not need justification to pull. Responsibility does not arise from belief, it arises from participation. You're already involved. Opting out is imaginary. When narratives fall away, what remains is response ability, the ability to respond. Without justification, without identity reinforcement, without metaphysical cover, this is harder than belief. There's no script to follow. There's no side to hide behind. There's no absolution through abstraction. No one side and another side. It's just you and your ability to respond to situations. Your personal responsibility. How do you operate? How do you move? See, the real danger is not nihilism, it's premature nihilism. The collapse of meaning before the development of capacity. The gap produces cynicism, paralysis, or cruelty disguised as realism. And none of these are inevitable, they're learned evasions. When frameworks dissolve, you're not released, you're exposed. You're exposed to direct participation in outcomes you cannot fully control but still affect. If this feels uncomfortable, that discomfort is not emptiness, it is responsibility without a story to soften it. If that's how you're doing, good luck with that.